Hey, it's Victoria from Great Canadian RV. You are inside the 2021 Puma 26 Rbss. This just arrived today. I'm super excited to show you. It is a gorgeous layout, gorgeous unit, perfect couples coach. So right off the bat, when you walk in your front door, you have this beautiful walk-in closet with great space for hanging and storage. And coming into the kind of heart of the trailer, you have this beautiful tri-fold sofa, and it's a gorgeous feeling material, very warm and comforting. You're going to be able to put this out 3 times so people can sleep this way if you have guests that stay or grandkids. This will have more than enough space for them to be comfortable. And I love this layout because you are actually directly sitting across from the entertainment unit. So your entertainment unit is a 39-inch LED Furrion system, and below you have your storage area with a dual sound system with your fireplace. So it's really nice to have that couch right across so you're not sitting funny, you're going to be able to be comfortable. And coming more forward, you have your kitchen. So new for 2021, we have this white shaker interior, so it's very modern, very, I still say the farmhouse, but I love it. It's definitely my style of things. You have great storage above and below your cabinets. You have this under-mounted stainless steel sink, the farm style sink with your removable faucet. You'll be able to clean all the dishes and have more than enough room. You have great counter space all around here and a nice window. And continuing, we have the gray stone oven. This is very large space. You're going to have, be able to really use it and utilize it on Thanksgiving if you're going to do an extended season camp. You have a 3-burner top stove with this glass backsplash piece. Really keeps things nice and clean and tidy when you do it. And you have a beautiful flush stainless steel accented microwave as well. Coming into the fridge, you're going to have great space in your freezer, great space below. You have crisper boxes. You're going to have a lot of food packed away for that weekend excursion. You're going to be having a great time. On the other side, you have the booth-shaped dinette. So this also fills in for additional sleeping. I love how Puma finishes off their accented, so this is a really great little chandelier. I love it. You have storage below to kind of store any canned goods, board games, whatever tickles your fancy. And in this unit, you have the bedroom in the front, and you have a full-length washroom in the rear. So going into the washroom, we have a foot flush pedal toilet and a gorgeous residential style shower with a nice skylight. You have a little seating area in here, and there's a little lip. So if you have to use it to wash off your grandkids or your dogs, you're gonna have the space for it. The beautiful vanity piece as well with storage above and below. And you're gonna have a 3-tiered storage system above your sink, and you're going to have another storage below. So continuing to the front of the trailer, we have really, like I said, Puma really does a really nice way of finishing touches, and they have little hangers here for sweaters, on those fall nights. And in the bedroom, so you have a pocket door bedroom, great queen size bed with wardrobes on either end for either of you. What I do love also, so your side tables, you have a full length here, but you have a double tiered system. So it gives you double the storage. Really simple idea. That really makes an impact. You have dual plugs on either end with USB ports, so you're not going to have to be fighting over who charges their phone at night. All right, well, thanks for joining us. I really love this Puma line. I love the 2021 changes with the interior. I love those finishing touches. This is my kind of trailer. Really suits my style of things, so I really hope you're going to love it as well. So feel free to call us at 705-741-4155 or visit us at greatcanadianrv.com. We can't wait to hear from you.